Mr. Bandit81 here with a build review from the LEGO Nexo Knights Build Your Own Adventure. Now this build is going to be based off of two of the items mentioned in the book here. First one being the main server and the stand Merlok is on. Thought it'd be an interesting idea to make a small little station combining the two, which would be this build right here. When I got done working on it, thought it'd make for a pretty cool looking hidden bunker for Monstrox. As you can tell, the build is mostly gray, light and dark gray, with a little bit of other colors mixed in. Other than that, there's got blue transparent wall piece set in for the computer screen here, as well as another solar mirror or little screen setup here, window piece. The same type used for Merlok and Monstrox. That would work for a good stand-in for the holographic pieces that they're on, which I've already got set up here on the side. Monstrox and Merlok 2.0. Now, both these figures came with the bottleneck suit. Stand Merlok was on, and Monstrox was on for this one. And you get to place Merlok on the battle suit. Before I put the two digital wizards in place here, let's take a look at the build. As I said before, I got a transparent piece back here for the computer screen, as well as some other monitors on here. Computer screen right here, and some sloped panel pieces with controls and a monitor just beneath the window piece for the console, and just above the window pieces here got two other printed pieces. One with a dial here, I think it's from a race car set. Thought it looked pretty cool for, say, possible power level and readout of the outside area. As for spot where the screen will go for Merlok or Monstrox would be right here, which I had the blue screen set up at earlier. Monstrox in place. You can set up a few of his minions. Make it look like he just came online, or given some orders at a hidden bunker. Somewhere where they can make their plans to take over the land, and the Nexo Knights won't bug them. Which, well, with Monstrox here, looks pretty cool. Pretty sure it'll look as cool with Merlok in the place, or in his place as well. Now, this build can also be used for the good guys. Possible backup location or main server for the heroes. For fun, I might build a second one to place or use for the heroes or villains. This one here I'll probably keep for the villains, and build another one for the good guys, so have two spots set up. And how Monstrox looks on his stand here. Could be a with the base here, could be a temporary location till his crew can get him a walker here for his holographic systems. Now, if you just have a the blue screen here, or same setup as Merlok and Monstrox is on. Monstrox, Monstrox. Tongue tied today, folks. My bad. But if you happen to have one of these, you can use it if you like, and use it as something for another computer AI, or if you got a piece of paper, you can draw your own little wizard and tape it on for a little fun. But that's up to you. Well, hope you enjoyed the build. Till next time, have a good one.